so for this video, we're gonna talk about Firmoo Optical. So Firmoo was founded in 2009, and they ship to US, Europe, Canada, and South America. So they have many of glasses to choose from, and they even have some for women and men as well. And they also have sunglasses as well. I used Firmoo back in 2016, and I really love their glasses. So I was so excited when they wanted to work with me. So this is actually a collab with them. I was gifted a free pair of glasses, this one. So when ordering from Firmoo, they have, like I said, they have many of items to choose from. And when you choose your glasses, they have an option for you to upload a photo of yourself, so you can see if the glasses fit well on you. So the good thing about Firmoo is they have a lot of add-ons for your lenses. So they have many types of coatings to choose from. So there's, anti-scratch, anti-reflective, tint, mirror, and a bunch of like other stuff that you could choose from. It does cost a little bit extra if you use those add-ons. So if you try Firmoo and you don't like the glasses, they have a 3-month warranty and a 30-day exchange and for refunds as well. They also do BOGO deals every now and then, so I would check that out. They usually do like a BOGO free or BOGO 50% off, so do check that out because it is a good deal. When I bought from them in 2016, I used their BOGO deal, so I actually got one for free. So the pricing for glasses usually range from like $20 to $30. You might find some for cheaper. But the one that I bought, or the one that I was gifted, is $20. So when I bought from Firmoo like 2 years ago, I took a risk and I bought some that was like circular framed. I usually wear squared or rectangle frames, simple black frames, but I wanted to do something a little different, so I went for circular frames, and one of them was black, the other one was like a gold color. And I've never worn those type of glasses before. I tried the photo feature like I told you guys about. When you are ordering from Firmoo, I would suggest to buy glasses that you know will look good on you. So the glasses that I bought, I never actually wore them. The biggest reason was because of the fact that the glasses didn't look good on me. The gold one, I feel like it was a little too small for my face or something. And then the black one, I feel like it was a little too big. It kind of made me look like Harry Potter, and I didn't like that. They do have measurements for the glasses, but at the time I didn't really understand the measurements. So be sure you actually understand the sizing and everything. But the good thing about it was the fact that I actually was able to get a refund. I kept my glasses because if I wanted to ship them back, I would have to pay the shipping fee. So I decided to keep my glasses, but I was fully refunded. Well, besides shipping costs, obviously. So that was a good thing about it. So this time when they actually asked to work with me, I decided to go with the regular squared glasses because I was like, I'm not gonna go through this again and buy a pair of glasses that does not look good on me. So I've been wearing these for like about a week or so, and I really love them. The quality is great and it looks super good on me. It's sturdy. It's not like flimsy. I mean, the glasses are great. The lens is super easy to clean off. I did not do any add-ons for this. It's just like the regular glasses. I think that's pretty much all I want to say. If you have any questions, just check out the FAQ on our website. It's super easy to read and have so much info on there. Also, before I go, I want to say that I do have a discount for you guys. So if you want free glasses, then use the discount below, or you can even check out the link in my description. Shipping fee is needed. So I just want to say again, thank you Firmoo for working with me and sponsoring this video, and I hope to see you guys next time.